Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mops with an exciting comparison between the Shark S7001 mop and the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner. Let's see which one will be your cleaning champion. Let's kick things off with price. The Shark S7001 mop is often praised for its ease of use and efficiency, especially in homes with pets, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. Reviewers love that it operates effectively without the need for chemicals. In contrast, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner comes in at $119. Reviewers highlight its strong cleaning power, stating it tackles dirt, stains, and even mold effectively. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Shark might be appealing, but Schenley claims to deliver more power for your pennies. Moving on to cleaning power, the Schenley Steam Mop shines here, with users raving about its ability to tackle tough cleaning tasks quickly and effectively. Reviewers mention how it can handle everything from grease to grime, making it a versatile cleaning tool. The Shark S7001, while also effective, is noted for its limitations in handling particularly tough messes, with some users describing it more as a basic cleaner. If you need a mop that can handle a mess of epic proportions, Schenley might be your best bet. Now, let's talk eco-friendliness. The Schenley Steam Mop is all about that chemical-free lifestyle, heating up in just 15 seconds with only tap water. Reviewers love that it's quick and efficient, allowing for a healthy cleaning option. The Shark, while effective, doesn't offer the same steam power, relying more on traditional cleaning methods. If you're looking for a chemical-free solution that's ready to go in a flash, Schenley takes the cake. Next up is versatility. The Schenley Steam Mop comes with 7-in-1 accessories, making it a multifunctional cleaning powerhouse that can handle various surfaces, including windows. Reviewers appreciate its adaptability and ease of use. On the flip side, the Shark S7001 is more limited in its capabilities, primarily designed for floor cleaning. If versatility is what you seek, Schenley is the clear winner. Finally, let's discuss weight and flexibility. The Schenley is lightweight and features a 180-degree swivel, allowing for easy maneuverability around furniture. Reviewers love how easy it is to handle. In contrast, the Shark S7001 has been described as less flexible, making it harder to navigate tight spaces. If you want a mop that moves with ease, Schenley is the way to go. Overall, the reviews for both mops highlight their strengths and weaknesses. The Shark S7001 is celebrated for its ease of use and affordability, particularly for pet owners, while the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is praised for its powerful cleaning ability and versatility. However, some users have experienced issues with durability in both products, indicating a need for careful consideration based on individual cleaning needs. So who wins this epic mop battle? If you want a budget option that gets the job done, the Shark S7001 might be your choice. But if you want a powerhouse that can clean up everything from dirt to grime while keeping it eco-friendly, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is the way to go. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. You can find the product links in the description below.